Hi, I'm Greg. Today we're here at the plant to take a look at one of our processes that keep us aligned with our mission of building the best boat in the industry. I'm here with Katherine, our quality manager, and today she's going to talk to our production lead quality audits that we do here. Could you tell me a little bit about what it is and who's involved?
Sure, Greg. So on a daily basis, we get together a team of cross-functional team members. We have production representatives, engineering, we have quality, we have customer service, we have warranty technicians. We get together daily and we go through a boat that is just about to leave to get shrink wrapped and to be sent out for delivery. We get together, we go through the boat, we take information that we have received back from our dealers, from our end customers, regarding issues that they've seen with boats. And so we're actively looking daily for, to make sure that our boats are show ready. Our general manager, Mike Chedevive, is very big on us making sure that we do not let a boat leave our property that is not show ready. We then get together once a week for a meeting of going through all of this data, coming up with action items and a plan to make sure that we are addressing these issues. In some cases, it's a quality alert, like you said you've seen on the line. It's a communication to the line to let them know this has been found, this is the way it should be, so that going forward, we have a less likelihood. Our inspectors on the line also are communicated with regularly on issues that have been found after boats have left. So their list of things they look for is updated weekly, so they know the most current issues to address and to look at to verify.
Awesome. Well, thanks for all you do. Thanks for leading these very important audits daily. We appreciate it.
Absolutely. Yeah.
I'm here with Kate, our quality supervisor. Kate, I know you've been part of the Bennington family for a while. How long have you been here at Bennington?
I've been here for 13 years.
13 years. And I know you've worked your way up through production, so you know what it means to be a Bennington quality and Bennington standards. So tell me a little bit about what is your role here on these audits and then your day-to-day job as well.
So I attend these audits. I work closely with all the other team members that also attend. We go through problems and just try to find room for improvement on these boats. I do random audits online, work closely with those inspectors, the production supervisors, most of their group leaders.
Yeah, so you're on the front line. Well, we appreciate all you're doing, and thanks for everything.
Yeah.
I'm here with Ian. Ian, what is your role here at Bennington?
I am the Director of Current Product Engineering.
Awesome. And then when we're doing these audits, what do you do in those audits here?
So I want to make sure that we're hitting all of our safety critical things, we're meeting our certification, and that we're building to design intent.
Oh, so basically making sure the boat is being built to its specifications, correct?
Correct. That's exactly what we want to do because, doing inspections gives you kind of a feeler of where you're at, but you don't inspect quality into a product. You have to build it into it. So we want to take that information back and make sure that we're getting operations the information they need to be consistent and produce reproducible and repetitive results.
That's awesome. Well, man, we appreciate it. Thanks for all you do.
All right. You're welcome. Thank you.
For more boating tips, visit us at benningtonmarine.com.